Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily from Painting Penguin and paintingpenguin.com, where you'll find a new video posted every Monday. Today I'm going to show you how to do fizzy painting for kids. This is an art project and a science experiment. For this project, you'll need baking soda, white vinegar, food coloring. You'll need a syringe or an eyedropper, something to drop the paint onto your paper. You will need cardstock or watercolor paper, something that's really thick. You'll need some little containers to put your vinegar and your baking soda in. I'm using a spoon as well. And I've covered a baking sheet with foil to protect it. This is going to be really messy, so I'm also wearing an apron. All right, let's get started. So I have cut out my cardstock paper into a rainbow shape and a flower shape. So first I'm just going to sprinkle my baking soda onto my paper. Okay. I'm going to smooth it out a little with my spoon, so that it's all over my paper. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on my flower. Just sprinkle it on. I'm going to smooth it out a little. Okay. All right, that looks good. So I've already mixed some food coloring, liquid food coloring in with my vinegar. I'm just gonna do the last one here to make purple. So I'm gonna do a drop or two of the blue and the red and see how that looks. Okay. Just gonna swirl it around. Okay, there's my purple. Now I'm gonna start painting this, and it's gonna have a chemical reaction. So I'm gonna start with my red, and I'm doing a rainbow, so I'm gonna do, oh, it's so cool. You can hear it's fizzing. Okay, I'm going to do a little red on my flower too, in the center. Okay, some orange. This is so cool, very messy. Okay, and for kids, this would probably be easiest with an eyedropper, but this is all I had today, so I'm using this one. Some yellow. I'm going to put some yellow on my flower too. Okay, some green. Some blue. And some purple. Oh, I'm going to do some green on my stem of my flower too. Okay. Alright, so you can keep adding vinegar to cover all the baking soda, but I kind of like how it looks right now. So that is my fizzy painting project for kids. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when new videos are posted. Bye!